Hello friends, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun, exciting video to share with you today. This video is sponsored from Ellsiebels BookShelf on Etsy. And this is more than just your typical unboxing video. This is just really telling you about her and showing just how fun her shop is. And I want to take a different spin. She sent me some of her kits that she is listing and selling on Etsy. So the idea behind the whole kit is you get everything you need to make a journal along with her. She's already started the series on YouTube, so make sure you go to her YouTube channel. All of her links will be below, but make sure you go there and add to watch later so you can go to her Etsy shop and purchase these kits. She has Halloween, like fall themes, and all different kinds of like this time of year themes to choose from, and both not Tennessee, I'm thinking TN, Traveler's Notebook size and regular size, and the prices are really good. And I want to talk about not so much building the journal from start to finish, but I want to talk about something else you can do with the kits you may not have thought about, because since she is doing the videos, it is very obvious what they're meant for, and that is building a journal with her. But maybe that isn't your thing. Maybe you're a little more creative than that, or maybe you don't have time to watch all the videos. So I want to show you how you should still purchase her kit and why. And that is to use it and to part it out into other projects, and I'm going to show you how I plan on doing that with this kit. So even if you're not going to build it from start to finish with her, please go purchase one of these, because you will definitely want to add these things to your stash. So we're going to get into all of this goodness. And she has notes for me throughout here, so as we come across them, we're going to talk about them. Fun stuff, fun stuff. So I'm already excited seeing all these goodies. We're going to start with the fun stuff. I can tell that these are supposed to be, you know, clipped throughout the journal that we're going to be making together, or she's going to be making with you. And she's going to show you how she uses these type of things throughout the journal and all of her different tips and tricks, which I know will be amazing. I own 2 of her journals, and I love her work. She is one of the sweetest, most inspiring, up-and-coming YouTubers and Etsy shop owners. You definitely want to build a relationship with her. I think that building a relationship with the Etsy shop owners that you're buying from is so important. Just chatting with them, let them know you're thinking about them, support them, love them, and they'll love on you right back. I know Elsie will, and I know that your life will be the better for it. So, all that to say, now she's going to show you what to do with them, but I'm going to talk about something else. So I want to just show you the unique pieces she has in here. And some of these things that I haven't really, oh my gosh, I am dying for this little leaf. I don't know if you can see it, but I have been looking for leaf charms, and I wish I had found ones like these. Look at how adorable that is. So see, I'm not going to be making this journal along with her. I would love to, but I do, my shop and the workload I have right now does not allow me to do that. But I'm going to be putting these into my stash to be using in other journals. So like if you don't have time to craft along with her, but you just love what she has to offer, here's what you would do, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull out the buttons, and I'm going to add them to my button collection, which I don't have here, but I have a bucket, and they're going to go in my button bucket. So then I'm going to pull out her paper clips, and then the paper clips are going to go in my paper clip drawer. And then this little piece of embroidery floss, this is going to go with my flosses and twines and stuff like that. And then the bulb pins are going to go with my bulb pins. And then these beads and charms are going to go in my little bin or bowl that I have that I can pick from. These are so gorgeous. I'm like talking and talking because I don't want to put them down because I love looking at them so much. So, but I will put them down and move on. Oh, and here's a little fall leaf. So I know she's going to use this in her journals. While I'm thinking about it, one thing that's really fun to do is to set these down onto your pages and glimmer mist or coffee spray around it, and then you have this really pretty leaf. I did that last year, but I'm going to put this with my fall themed stuff. And then we have another baggie here. Let's pull all these out. Oh, I'm excited. I don't have much fall and Thanksgiving stuff. So for me, this is exciting because I can use these in the journals I do around that time. Here's a really pretty piece of fabric. And then, which of course, she'll show you her plan for it. I'm thinking pockets, text spots, things like that. And so we have different Thanksgiving ribbons and laces and trims. These will just go in my lace and trim bucket to pull from as I am creating this year. Oh, I love this. I have never seen. That is so pretty. I want to put this in my personal junk journal. That is so gorgeous. Okay. And then here's one of these big, I am sure this is going to be used for a tassel, and I will let her in her videos show you how she does that. But this will just go in my hardware drawer for when I need to make a mega tassel. I only use these when I need to make a mega tassel. We have a little bit of, it looks like seam binding, and oh, some really pretty leaf trim. She has found the most beautiful things I haven't seen. So I am super excited to add those to my stash. So, I'm just looking at her notes here. She has 9 varieties of kits, but she only has 10 available of each. So it looks like there's 4 Halloween and 5 autumn. Different types of Halloween and autumn kits. Each of them have different fabrics. Each of them have different printed papers and laces and beads and charms. And they're going to vary a little bit. So you're not going to get the exact same buttons that I have or the exact same laces or trims. And that's the way most people do their kits, but it will be very similar. It'll be 8 pages of ephemera. That's a lot. And what's so wonderful about that is it gives you so many options. A pack of filler papers, and then you'll find all of the tutorials on there. So we are just, she has different design teams that she is, that is helping support this, I guess, that she's working with. And I'm just going to show you this card that she wrote out. So I'll just leave this up here for a second. You want to check all these out, write them down in your junk journal so you can look them up when you have a chance. And then she just gave me some information about herself. She has 3 boys and 2 girls. And I definitely understand how hard she works because I have 3 boys and I can't imagine adding 2 more to her workload, but she stays so sweet. And she's trying to help produce an income for her family. This is why we do what we do, you guys. This is why we do what we do. We're not taking the money and lining our pockets and living it up super, super rich. Most of us Etsy owners are just, you know, trying to have a little extra money to pay for the extra medical supplies and the birthday parties and all those things. And she is no different. So she's always working at promoting and customs, and every single day she has her plans and her goals. And you'll see that. You'll see her posting and posting and posting. If you're on social media, you should already know her name. Definitely go subscribe. Her customers are very important to her, and I have seen that. It is really hard to balance life and Etsy. And we're trying to do that because we're trying to help each and every one of you, but we're trying to put our families first as well. And she is so good at that. I just want to brag on her a little bit. Yesterday, I was just really struggling with some things that were coming up with my business and stuff like that. And I just messaged her about it. And she wrote back the exact words I needed to hear that cheered my whole night up and has helped me all through today. So that is the type of person that she is. So you definitely want to, you know, check her out. So here we go. More stuff going on. She sent me, okay, so make sure I get these in the right order. Here we go. So here's some more of the things type of things that come in the kits, like napkins, which you can use for decoupage, guest checks, and these are the nice heavy ones. I love them. And I really think, I don't know what she's going to teach you, but I like to talk about the things you could do, and I really think leaf stamps would be amazing on those. And then just some bits and pieces that you may or may not get the exact same ones. Nice brown paper bag, perfect colors for the season. And then here's some of the printables. Okay, so she sent me, make sure I get these right here. All right. This is the Halloween ledger. And so here's some of the images that you would get with that one. I like the Frankenstein. That's super cool. And she designed these, and then here is autumn art. How beautiful. I want to use these. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And I saw her list these. I'm just taking in the colors. They're so gorgeous. All right, and so here is a freebie. This is a TLC with autumn kit purchase. So TLC Creations is another shop that she supports. She's also very small business oriented, Etsy oriented, helping other people. And if you purchase her autumn kit, then you will receive this freebie from TLC Creations, which is Paulette, for those of you who don't know. Fall is the season that makes you believe that fairies paint the waiting leaves. How gorgeous. I love them. I just love these. So cute. And then it looks like that Paulette has also designed this one. So if you purchase the Halloween kit, you would get these for free. Oh, looks like there's 8 of them. This is really nice cardstock too. I'll have to ask her where she gets it. It's not rough. It's nice and smooth. And it looks like here's some of the papers we have here. And I think this is going to be the Traveler's Notebook size. As you see, there's the white edges. There's also different, yeah, because this is the fabric. And she said some of the fabric pieces were smaller, and so they were going to be a Traveler's Notebook kit. I love this fabric. Gosh. And so if you're not making the kit along with her, you can save this for tip-ins on other journals and pockets on other journals. And beautiful, beautiful, beautiful papers. I could be wrong. I think Paulette designed these from TLC because she told me Paulette designed some of her printables for the kit. And to me, this looks like Paulette. Oh my gosh, I am in love with that cotton on there. I used to live in South Carolina right in front of this massive cotton field. So it's just bringing me all the feels. Leaf papers, acorn papers, ledger. I like that ledger. Very generic. Has a lot of character. And then, of course, my tips, when you get these papers, you can pop them right into your printer if you print, and you can print out your favorite images and backgrounds on the other side. If you want to know good places to get like Thanksgiving and Halloween type printables, check out Pixel Scrapper. There you get like 5 free downloads a day, or you can pay to have a premium unlimited download. But there are some absolutely adorable Halloween ones like I showed in... As you can see, a screaming kid interrupted me, and I know that Elsie deals with that every day as well. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Pretty sure Paulette did these too. Kind of know her style by now. The cutest little envelopes, you guys. Ugh. So she also has all these like words and sayings, which I love. Full of wonder, give thanks, time flies, pieces of our lives. I'm not going to read all of them, but they're great for using. I think it was 2 years ago, I did a November daily, where instead of a December daily, I just did every day the things that I did with my kids and the things we did together. And this would be incredible for that, your own personal journal as well. Here's a lot more. So these are some of the options that you could get. Those are cute. They're like those fabric paper flowers, but they don't add bulk. Super awesome. And then here's some like office type papers. Coffee dyed papers, other dyed papers, vintage papers, scrapbook papers, book papers. You get the drill. All different kinds that you can use to help fill up the journal. Okay, so now these things aren't part of those kits, so you definitely need to go check these out. The price point is amazing for what you are getting, so definitely click the link below to go to her shop and check them all out. You don't want to miss that. And also, she is helping promote the Small Business September that I started. So you're going to want to message her on Etsy and see all her like freebies and promotions. I think she has like a freebie or something like that if you participate. And so you'll want to message her about that as well. So these are just examples of other things that she sells in her shop. And right now, all the extra things are 50% off, so that when you purchase your kit, you can stock up on other supplies at half the cost. So you definitely, definitely want to do that. These may not, she has limited quantities of these things, and so they may or may not be in her shop, but this is the type of thing she has in her shop. She has like vintage wrapping papers. Oh, I love some of these, are so old, so cute. So vintage wrapping papers, doilies, things like that. She has Oh, these are like napkins and fabric. Just, whoops, can't get it back in there. A whole bunch of ephemera. So all this type stuff. So like vocabulary cards and Rolodex cards, garden cards. Oh, I love these bingo cards. Definitely, you guys will want these. They've got some sturdiness to them, and I think they'd make great tuck spots. I love these sized math cards and bingo card, or whatever those are, playing cards, and these have authors, and I've been wanting to get some of these, so I'm so excited. Old maid cards, just examples of the different ephemera that she has at 50% off. So you will, oh, I love these. These are incredible. Quarter rollers. These are cute. Phone call cards. So you get the idea. So definitely go over to her shop. Check it all out. And as you can see, little Legos are coming in the screen here. He needs help getting the legs back on. All right, so Elsie, I really value your friendship. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Thank you for helping me promote Small Business September. And I can't wait to use all these things in my projects. I hope each and every one of you will go check out her shop, like this video, subscribe, and write in the comments below what you most liked in her shop and what you most enjoyed about this video, and what you're doing to prepare for journaling in October and November. Are you going to do an October daily, a November daily? Are you going to do a personal journal? Do you like to just make journals but not write in them? Let me know below, and I will see you all in the next video.